Soldierpreneur Show. I am your host Aishwarya. In the daily rush of our lives, a problem that we all have faced or face regularly is finding a parking space for our vehicles. Car parking is a big problem for the general public. Disrupting this unorganized sector is Dhananjay Bharadwaj, founder of Parkmate. He has served as the Deputy Commandant of the Indian Coast Guard prior to taking up to entrepreneurship. Welcome to the show, Dhananjay.
Good evening, Aishwarya. I'm really happy to be here.
Dhananjay, tell us something about Parkmate and what was the idea behind setting it up?
In fact, the story begins back in 2016. I was about to get married that time, and you know how things work in North India. People go mad when they're about to get married. So I, along with my family members, with my mother and my wife, would-be wife, and their family, we used to travel a lot to New Delhi and especially to the clustered markets like Chandni Chowk, Karol Bagh, Sarojini Nagar, Shahpur Jat, these places, because these are the major places where actual shopping happens. And every time I used to go to these places, the only problem I used to face was finding a parking. And then I would say, "Aap log utro, main gaadi laga ke aata hu." And then I would spend 19 minutes to 20 minutes to 25 minutes, even sometimes in case of Chandni Chowk, sometimes even half an hour. And the parking I used to find was somewhere around 1.5 kilometers in some cases. Then I would catch an auto rickshaw or an e-rickshaw or a rickshaw, then again reach the destination. And the same was the case when I used to go back. This was not just the case of Chandni Chowk or of Amar Colony or of Karol Bagh. This was a daily story almost everywhere in New Delhi, even in a place like Connaught Place. And that's where I started searching on Google and on App Store and Play Store. If is there an application from which, because that was the time back in 2016 when the startup was just budding up. Unfortunately, there was nothing there which could actually guide me how to go about it. So I started, along with two of my friends, I discussed this issue with them. We started thinking that something must be done in this regard, and this problem should be solved. So that's where the Parkmates idea came.
So you're offering quite a lot of incentives and offers for the customers. But one thing is like this idea is quite new and unique. So how will you help your customers develop the trust? Because in hotels and restaurants, we are quite used to the idea of having a valet parking. But if I'm going to Sarojini Nagar or if I'm going to Karol Bagh, how can I trust the valet?
First of all, it will be an OTP based system. And the general psyche of public is, yes, how can you trust a valet? Trust a person who you are handing over a car. But normally when a person sees that there's an application for this and there's a application on App Store and Play Store and they have a website also, in such cases, actually people have a generated trust. And secondly, since it will be an OTP based system and your car will be geotagged. So the customer, whenever the customer will be handing over the car, he or she will be able to see where exactly my car is going. So these safeties, field safeties are already available. And yes, in the second version of our application, which which will be launching very soon, we are also introducing a feature where the live feed of what is going inside the car will also be available to the customers in the future.
Also, parking is a problem across the country. So do you plan to expand your operations to other cities as well? And when do you plan to do so?
Yes, we intend to expand our operations to all the tier 1 cities of the country. But since we have begun our operations only in Delhi NCR, yes, we are a pre-revenue startup right now. We chose this date of 8th of October for our live for us to go live because the third wave of COVID was actually projected by end September or early first week of October. So we wanted this date to pass, and by the courtesy of the hard work of the government of India, the vaccination drive is on full swing. So the third wave has not come, and I hope it never hits. And all businesses thrive. So we'll go live on 8th. Once we actually establish a product market fit, by the way, we have already done a testing for 14 days in Delhi, and we had a bumper feedback on that. But once we actually establish a product market fit, we'll expand to other cities. Second aim is Mumbai, and third aim is Bangalore, and eventually we'll move to other cities as well.
So now EVs are the buzz everywhere, and it might take some time for self-driven cars to be seen on Indian roads. But when that happens, how do you plan to evolve and adapt?
You know how many cars are there per parking spaces in New Delhi? There are 32 lakh privately owned vehicles, and there are just 72,000, more than just 72,000 parking spaces, which are empty illegal parking spaces, just over that. So technically, and these vehicles do not include the Olas, the Ubers, the outsider vehicles. These are the only vehicles which are owned by the people in Delhi. At any point of time in Delhi, around 71 lakh cars are on road, more than that. And so technically, if you convert it into a number, it comes around 1 lakh cars per parking. If you actually translate somewhere there. Even if it's not like that, even if it's a 40 cars, even if it's 10 car per parking, and if EV revolution and self-driven cars come on Indian roads, even in such a short period of time, you cannot generate these many parking spaces, right? So the parking problem is there to stay. We hope we solve it by the solution that we're offering.
Dhananjay, how was your transition from armed forces to entrepreneurship?
I won't ever say that a Fauji have a transition, because once a Fauji is always a Fauji. And the values and the way of working remains more or less the same. Yes, it took me some time. It is still taking me a little bit of time to adjust to the civilian values, because things work a little different in the corporate. But for that, I had to do extensive study, because I'm not formally trained in business. I'm not a master of business administration, but whatever I've learned is done from experience and my self-study. I've studied extensively, and I've studied a lot, especially in last 1.5 years, courtesy Parkmate. But I think I'm loving this time because I had a good run in the armed forces for 10 years, and I hope to have a good run in the corporate sector. And I really hope that I make difference to everyday people's lives.
What are the learnings from the armed forces that you're applying in building Parkmate?
There are two major learnings, I would say. In fact, there are many learnings. In fact, Parkmate actually works on the values that I've learned and the way and the things that I've learned from armed forces only. The first thing is what I've learned in a startup, your team is everything. And it is exactly the same in the armed forces. Your team, your welfare of a man comes first, of your team, of your men actually comes first. This is what I've tried to implement in my company also. The welfare of my team comes first. And if your team is actually happy with you and they resolutely stand behind you, stand with you shoulder to shoulder, you are very unlikely to fail, because their vision is clear, and you have to lead them by example. I want to have a correction. You have to lead them by example. This is what armed forces operate on. You always lead by example. So even I'm a mechanical engineer by qualification, but I've learned React Native. I'm learning Flutter. I'm a partially trained developer now. I can say that I'm a proficient business administrator also. I've learned company law also. I've learned UI UX design also, and I'm learning each and everything every day. So the transition has been great, and learning never ends in armed forces, because you have to study a lot even in armed forces. Yes, you have to study a lot. These things, and the second thing that I've learned from armed forces, which has helped me a lot, is discipline. There's only one right way to do things, another one is an easier way, which might not give you the quality result. But when the quality is the thing that matters the most in a business, yes, you always follow the standard operating procedure. So if you follow the right way instead of the easier way, I think it helps. So we have tried to do this, and for this, we are hiring only those people as Valiant who have lost their job during the pandemic. So we are trying to make whatever difference to the people that we can.
So you said after Delhi, you plan to go to Mumbai, then Bangalore. When does Hyderabad come in your list?
Hyderabad is actually fifth on our list, because Hyderabad is not having that big a problem of parking, because Hyderabad is way better planned. And I would, no offenses to anyone, but I think the car driving has a little bit more discipline in them. So Hyderabad will be on our list, but I will not lie, but it will take some time. I hope we reach Hyderabad soon and we expand as fast as possible.
So finally, My Startup TV is an online TV channel for startups and budding entrepreneurs. What are your views on our channel?
I was really happy when I came across this channel. I first got connected to this channel on LinkedIn, and I read about it. And I've been following you very dearly and religiously. The news that you cover, the areas that you cover, I think this has helped me a lot in learning a lot of lessons. So I have a great view about Startup TV. You are doing a great job, especially in helping people like me because having an interaction with you, even a small PR, small coverage by you people boosts people like me, my confidence of people like me. So I think you people are actually a great accelerator, and you people are actually a catalyst for people like me to have full confidence on doing what we are doing. So, all the best to my startup team. I would like to stay connected with you people.
So, thank you so much, Dhananjay, for joining us today. We hope to host you on our other shows as well.